Welcome, and let's take a look at FTX token price prediction between 2022 down to 2030. Of course, this token have a potential of increasing over 2000% in the next few years to come. And one good thing about this token is that FTX is world's second largest purchased token ever. Okay, now when you take a look at world's coins they have actually purchased, Shiba Inu is what #1 highest token purchased by whales, and FTX is #2. Okay, whales have over 13.18%. They own 13.80% of this token and have invested over $1.1 billion on FTX. So why is whales investing a lot of money in FTX, FTT? That is why we want to talk about this token today, and let's take a look at price prediction between now and down toward 2030. This token have actually gained over 4,980% increase in the past 3 years with a return of 4,100%. That simply means a $100 investment in this token last 3 years ago will have given you over $4,000. Imagine investing $1,000 and you're getting $41,000 already. Now, what you need to understand about this token is that in September 2019, this token was still trading with just $1.20. A $500 investment would have given you over 600 coins of FTX, and that 600 coins would have worth over $21,000 at the time of recording this video within 2.5 years. I mean, that is a lot of profit. Okay, and this token have not been listed on Coinbase, Crypto.com, Hotbit, L-Bank, and blockchain. By the time this token will be listed on these platforms, expect this token to gain a lot of value. Of course, they have over 620,000 Twitter followers already. Now, in 2022, we are expecting this token FTX to actually hit $61.31. Okay, now in 2023, we are expecting FTX to reach $94.20, and in 2024 we are expecting this token to reach $134.25, and in 2025 we are expecting this token to reach $165.80, and finally in 2030 we are expecting this token to reach $850.60. That is about 2,000% increase. But before that, remember this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Our golden rule here is never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Now, according to this professional crypto predicting website pricepredict.net, they expect FTX in 2022 to reach $66, and in 2024 to reach $144, in 2025 to reach $203, and in 2030 they are expecting to hit $1,489. Of course, we are hoping to see this token increase in value in the next few years to come, and by the time this happens, this will actually increase the value of FTX, and a lot of people will be making a lot of money. Remember, FTX is an exchange, okay, and this FTT is a local token, so you can actually go to their website, purchase, or you can actually buy it on Binance and other top crypto exchange. Once again, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.